Hello friends, today I will be installing this door latch on this backyard door of ours. As you can see, there is no latch here and it's almost the summertime, so we are going to install this one, which I just purchased this from the Amazon. I will also put the link in the description below if you want to purchase it. It's very good and solid. So let's go. It comes with two parts. One is the holder, as you can see, and the other one is the place where it will go inside like this. So basically there are two installation methods. Either you can install it on the right side or the left side. So I will be doing it on the right side here. It comes with 5 screws as well inside the packet. So you just have to drill them all. So first we are taking this thing and we are going to install it on the solid part of our backyard door here. So just measure it normally. So install it like this, first one. Then you have to install the second one here. And the last one goes here. So as you can see, our handle is good, it's done. Now we just have to install this part and just measure it like this, and it's good to be placed here now. And the second one goes here like this. Then one more. So you just have to check it out, it's going inside it and it's good. Here the last one we have to go here. So now it is done and that is all. So the latch door is finished. So as you can see here, it is finished, and you can also put a lock inside this one as you want. If you're not, then you can open the door. If you're going outside, you can lock this, do whatever you want to do with this. And that's all for today.